Welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up Flutter in your Android Studio. I will show you how you can run your first Flutter application in an emulator. So let's get started. First go to Google, and then in Google you need to type Flutter download. Okay. So here you can see Flutter download. You see Flutter documentation is there. Click there. Now, you can do the installation for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome. So, I'll be doing the installation for Windows. So, I'm clicking on Windows. Then here, after going there, here you can see Git for Windows. So, click there. So, when you click there, you will see something like this. So, here the for 32-bit processor is there, and for 64-bit processor is also there. So my laptop has got 64-bit processor, so I will click here. Just click here to download the setup. So just download the executable file. I have already downloaded it. So I'll go to my folder where I have kept my file. So this is my Git executable file. I will double click it. Just keep clicking next. It will get installed here in C folder. Actually, I already had one Git folder, so it is just going to reinstall in the same place. Just keep clicking next, next, next. So we are going to go with the default settings. We're not going to make any changes. So it will take some time to get it installed. Let's wait. And finally, it is going to be over. Yes, so here just remove this one and click on finish. Now we need to do some settings. So in your search here, type env, click on edit environment variables. So go to path, then click edit. Now we need to set the path for Git. So click on new and go to browse. We will go to see my disk PC, then go to C drive, go to program files, and Git is there. So here we need to click on bin. Then in bin, you see this path is added. We need to browse one more path. Go to the same C drive, program files, Git, and then go to CMD and then click OK. So these two paths are added in the environment variables. Click OK and again OK. Now we will see whether Git is installed properly or not. Go to CMD and then here type git -v. So you see Git version 2.42 is installed. So our Git has been set up properly. Go back to the Flutter documentation. Then click on the zip file. Here it is Flutter Windows zip file. So click on it. So now this is the extra zip file. So I'll just cut it from here. It is in my downloads and I will paste it in E drive. You can save it wherever you want. So just right click on the zip file and click on extract all. Okay. So just click extract. So the file will be extracted here. It will take some time. So this is the extracted folder. Copy from here and then we will go to C drive. Inside C drive you need to create a folder src. I have already created. Click there. Then inside here, this I already have. I'll delete it. Wait, let me delete it. Okay. Now I will paste the copied Flutter folder here again. So you also do it like this. Now click on this Flutter folder, go to bin, then select this path, copy this path, and then we are going to write env in search. This is edit environment variables. Click on path and click edit. Now click on new. Then inside new you need to paste the path that we have copied, that is flutter bin. Click OK and OK. Now we will check whether our flutter is working properly or not. Click on write cmd and then type flutter doctor. So I have already, actually I had flutter earlier, so it might show something else. Okay, so if it is installed properly, flutter, you will see something like this: flutter install, windows version. Okay, now see android tool chain, it is showing something like this because we have not installed Android Studio yet. Now we will see how to install Android Studio. Go back to your flutter documentation, scroll down. So now we are going to install Flutter Studio. Let's go down and you can see Android Studio. Yes, so click on Android Studio. So after clicking there, you will see here is the icon. So click on the download Android Studio. Here it is showing giraffe, but for someone it may be the flamingo, so it depends on the latest version. Click on terms and conditions and then click on download Android Studio. So I have already downloaded the executable file. This is my executable Android Studio file. Double click on it. So just keep clicking next. Then just keep next, keep the default settings and then install. It will take some time to get installed. Keep clicking next, next and finish. So Android Studio will start automatically. Let's wait for some time. You see it is open, so it will look something like this or it may look something different also. Now click on plugins. We will install some plugins. Type flutter. So for me it is already installed. In case you have not, then just click on install. Go to custom, go to customize and click on all settings. So now we are going to install some SDK tools. So go to SDK tools, click there. I'll tell you what to install. We need Android SDK. See wherever I have given the tick marks, we need everything. So click on OK. Just click OK. It will take some time to install everything. So installation is over. So now go to projects. You click on projects, click on new Flutter project on top left. Then this window will open. Here you click on Flutter and here you select the SDK path. So by default it will be selected, otherwise you click on the you select the path. Then here you need to give the project name. I am giving first app. So here you see the rest of the things are all fine. So Android language Kotlin, iOS language Swift, platform I have selected everything for Android, iOS, Linux, OS, Mac OS, web, Windows. Then click create. So my first Flutter project is being created. So it's done. So here you see this tool tip system. Just click close. So here is the code for the first main.dart. So this is the project. Now we are going to start the emulator. Click on device manager. Then click on create device. So here is the virtual and physical. We are going to create the virtual one. Click on create device. You can select from phone, any type of phone you want. So I'll select Pixel 5. Okay, click next. Then here S and R is there. You can click download others also. I'll go with S. Then click next. Then here I'll select portrait, and then I will just click on finish. So you can see pixel 5 it is showing. Now I need to run it. So you can see the no device, then here refresh it. You need to refresh it 2-3 times, then it will come. The pixel 5 has come. So you can run the emulator either from this side or you can select from here. Okay, you can select anyone. So let's click, let's see. I have pressed the icon here, so the device is opening up. You see, connecting to the emulator is coming. So you can increase the size also. So my emulator has opened. Our first, so you can see the application running. So this is a counter application. You click on the plus button to see the numbers changing. So this is the default Android, I mean to say Flutter web application already stored in Android Studio. So we have created our first application. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.